Hello everyone. So in this tutorial we are going to learn about one of the substitute of CamScanner app. As we all know that CamScanner was one of the most popular document scanner app. So I have not uninstalled this app from my phone, so I can also use CamScanner as well. If you have also not uninstalled this app from your phone, you can also use this app. But in case if you have uninstalled this app, then you need to switch to some alternative of this app. So here we are with another app, that is Fast Scanner app. So Fast Scanner offers basic document scanning functionality and it is very easy to use. So just you need to download it and then tap on this app to open it. I'll click on later. Then at the bottom right corner we have camera option. If you want to scan your document, then open your camera and scan document. If you want to get more clarity or lighting effect, you need to turn your flashlight on like this. Then take picture. Now see, as I have taken picture, this green dotted line appears. And what is this green dotted lines? These are automatic edge detection, and this automatic edge detection works really well. But in case you don't like the result, you can adjust it manually by dragging these lines like this. Okay, so once we have done this, so we need to click on this tick icon. Click on that, and here we have several filter options. Just choose whatever filter you like. I'm taking this color option and click on this tick again at the top right corner. Now we have option of saving our file. I'm typing my name here, then click on OK. If you want to add few more pages, you can click on this plus icon and take another picture. Okay, then adjust the edge, then click on this stick again. If you want to adjust the filter again, you can switch to some other filter option, then click on this stick again, close this ad. So we have added 2 pages and we want to share it as PDF. So for sharing, we need to click on this option. This option is for sharing. Click on that. Click on sharing again. And here we have several options. If you want to share your file as JPEG, then you need to click on JPEG file. If you want to keep it on PDF, you just click on PDF option. And I want to share it on WhatsApp, then I'll tap on WhatsApp. Now it's exporting. Then choose one of your contact where you want to share this as PDF and click on this arrow. So it's done. I have shared this file. If you want to open this file again, just tap on this file and you can see 2 pages we have added. So in this way you can also send your answer sheet in PDF form. So that's all for today. Thank you.